You want to save money on taxes, right? Of course you do. But when it comes to investing, it can feel like the tax man is always right around the corner, waiting to take a slice of your hard-earned gains. So what if there was a way to make your investments more tax efficient, automatically? That's where Betterment comes in. Betterment is a robo-advisor that uses a suite of automated, tax-smart strategies to help you keep more of your money. And it's not just one thing, it's a combination of features that work together to optimize your portfolio. First up is tax loss harvesting. This is a strategy that involves selling investments that have lost value to offset the taxes on gains from other investments, or even up to $3,000 in ordinary income each year. Betterment automates this process, constantly scanning your account for opportunities to harvest losses and reinvesting the proceeds to keep your portfolio on track. This isn't a one-and-done thing. Their algorithm is always looking for new opportunities. Next, you have tax-coordinated portfolios. If you have both a taxable account and a tax-advantaged account like an IRA, this is a game-changer. Betterment automatically places assets that are generally less tax-efficient, like bonds, into your tax-advantaged accounts. Meanwhile, it puts more tax-efficient assets, like broad market stock ETFs, into your taxable accounts. This is a sophisticated strategy known as asset location, and Betterment automates it so you don't have to think about it. Finally, Betterment also uses tax-efficient rebalancing. As your portfolio grows and markets change, some of your asset classes will drift from their target allocation. Rebalancing is the process of bringing them back into line. Many platforms do this by selling and buying, which can trigger a taxable event. Betterment, however, uses your new deposits and dividends to rebalance first, buying assets that have become underweight and reducing the need for sales that could create a tax bill. By combining these three strategies, tax loss harvesting, tax-coordinated portfolios, and tax-efficient rebalancing, Betterment aims to help you save on taxes and potentially increase your after-tax returns. It's about more than just what you earn, it's about what you keep. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.